Welcome to Jason's Crazy Gameplays. I'm Jason, and today we're going to Cloak's training post to see some bills.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard the White Mountain Central Railroad on another beautiful New Hampshire day. My name is Logan, and I'm your conductor. Our engineer, Russ, has just informed me that we're all fueled up, so I'll give him the highball sign, and we'll be on our way. I do have a couple favors to ask of you. First of all, please do not sit on the red hand railings on the sides of the cars, and also, please do not throw anything or anyone from the train. I also must warn you that once we head over our covered bridge, we'll be entering Wolfman's territory, where anything can happen, so you might want to hold on to your loved ones. On second thought, you may not, and that part is entirely up to you. Mr. Engineer, when you're ready. If you look to your left, you'll see the Anaconda Escape, our sensational raft slide. You can go down fully clothed because you will be in a raft. You will get a little wet on your way down, but it should be refreshing after that exhausting hike up the stairs. Off to the right, you can see the water blaster boats and the Old Man of the Mountain climbing tower. All three of these attractions I just mentioned are included with your admission ticket.
I got his chin.
Coming up on our right are the wonderful people who work at our Segway Park, which is also
we went on those
with your admission ticket. There's also an extended ride that goes through the woods, where you can meet the Wolfman face to face. Though that will cost you a little extra. You can at least ride here and say that you've got the chance to try out a Segway. And right behind it, you can see the location of Tuttle's shooting gallery, where you can compete with your friends to see who can get the higher score. Up ahead here, we have our wood pile. We do use wood in our steam-powered locomotive, the Climax. However, today, we're running our General Electric diesel engine.
A trainload of hooligans trespassing on my land. Hey, watch where you're pointing that thing. I could lose my other eye. It's people like you that made me fail. Anger management class. Not dude. John Wayne himself wouldn't even dare to cross this line. And you, turn that tub around or pick a color. Black or blue.
Yeah, you can.
Uh-oh, he's chasing us. Yeah, he's right here.
Stop me right now? Yeah. Oh, there he is.
I thought I told you. Too big. City slicking scoundrels to turn it around and go home.
He's okay, he's running.
You're all out of here endangering your lives. Even the kids who are robbery. Misery. What they're doing.
Vermushy.
Oh, I might smell like a
Oh, there's the mining.
Oh, that's the.
That's the mining tunnel.
Bye, Mr. Goat.
That's his mind.
He pointed at me and was like, "You're going over the speed limit."
He's zooming up.
Yeah.
Okay, just so you're going over the speed limit, I just had my head on the pole.
These people are more irritating and hemorrhoids at the same time.
Bye, Mr. Goat. Bye, old man. Bye, old man. You're going over the
Scram, you old goat!
You have a dog?
I don't even know. I hear something with the dog.
That's it. You don't believe what I asked tonight? You've all learned yourself a one-way trip to the bottom of the river. I'm in a rocket on a loose cannon. Ah! You lily liver lubricants need to make like a tree.
Scram, you old goat!
That was us going to Cook's training post. See you next week, and peace.